In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset all service reset intervals, or SRIs, on your Volkswagen or Audi product, even ones that you can't just get to on a screen in the car and clear out. In this video, we're going to be using a VCDS, which is basically a factory level scanner for one of these cars that you could get very inexpensively. I have those linked down below. They give you a lot of options for sort of customizing your car, but also doing things like these service resets. Let's get right into this video. All right, here we are in my Volkswagen Touareg. If I start this up, a service now message comes on, and this is actually not related to an oil change. It's related to a separate reset that you have to do on Volkswagens. If you look over here at the screen and you go to your car setting and you go to service, there's an interval service, which is your oil change indicator, and then there's an inspection service, and this one you can't reset without going to a dealership or using VCDS or a different, more advanced scanner. In this video, we're going to be resetting that with VCDS. If you do need to just do your oil change interval, all you have to do is click that right there and click reset. So guys, this is the hardware that you need to do this. This is a VCDS from Rostec. These plug right into your OBD 2 port, and then you plug the other end to the computer to give you access to this software. All right, so now we have VCDS open, and we're gonna go up here to our service reminder interval reset. So if you click on that, it's gonna bring you to this page, and it's gonna scan through your instrument cluster and pull up all the stored values. This is basically all the info in there saying how long it's been since you've done one of these resets, how many miles you've gone, and stuff like that. Once we get to this page here, it'll show you all of your current values. As you can see under oil quality, it says poor oil quality. This means that the oil's old, not that there's a sensor that's actually telling the car that you're running like cheapo oil or anything like that. So we're gonna go up here, and if you do reset, you can see that it's going to reset the service reminder status, which currently has no warning because that's just the normal reminder. If you go here and do reset fix and ESI, you can see over here it's going to reset the distance since inspection and the time since inspection. That's here what I want to clear. So I'm going to go ahead and click perform SRI. And now it says SRI reset complete. If we go on here, we should be fine if we go over into service. And as we can see, the inspection interval there has been reset. So now, if I turn this car off, and turn it back on, now you can see no service light comes up. And with all that, that's going to wrap up this video. Please like this video if you've enjoyed it, subscribe for more, and I hope you stick around for more videos like this. Take care.